Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Oston Cypher back again with a brand new videos. What's up, guys? This is Oston Cypher back again with a brand new video on web forms. And specifically, we are going to be looking at the input elements in HTML5. Remember, in the previous ones, we had password, text box, checkbox, radio buttons. So all that stuff, apart from those ones or those attributes, HTML5 input elements introduce several new values for the type attribute. Like the attribute gets another stuff like type equals Oston. And please, when you use this, even Google will kick you out of the internet. This one has never appeared on any programming languages. So what we are going to do, since they introduced new things in the type attribute, we are going to create our form and from stupid Oston. So as you know, inside our form, this is where we have the action, where the page is supposed to go when you press the submit button, the method, whether it is a post or get, but for this purpose you're going to be using get, and the action is going to be, right now I'm offline, it's going to perform or act nothing, so I'm going to send it to Oston.php. You can put anything there. So it's all about what you're going to be doing, and in this video I'll start with the first HTML input element called the datetime local. And this datetime local, it's like date time local. That's how the stuff is, and this will display the year, month, day, hour, minute, seconds, fraction of a second. So let me first do it practically so that you understand what I'm talking about. I'll give it an input of, I'll say date time. I'll use that input type. So inside here is where we implement what we are talking about. So date time. So inside here you can put the name, and this you can be used when you are accessing it when you are in your PHP files. So we shall say new input, we put the submit button, input type equals submit. So we want it to be a button, submit, and the value, it's the text which is going to appear on the button. So we shall call it also submit. Go ahead and save it. When I save here, this is what we are having. So as you can see, I told you it's going to display the month, day and year, the time, the second, the format, like either it's PM, AM. So watch what I'm going to do here. First of all, I can place here, and it shows me all the dates, all the years, all the month. So when I select like there 3, it automatically show here. So I can choose also time, upgrade it. Here choose whether it's PM or AM. So when I submit, it will go nowhere because I'm offline. It will not meet this page. So this is how the date local, that's how the date local form displays. And next we have what they call the date, only date. I'm going to be using the same form. This was the date time local, so this one is going to be the date time. So it's going to be only the date, and this type will be date. And this is how stuff will be looking like. This one will only show the year, month, day according to the ISO. So this one, it's like implemented by the ISO. This ISO 8601, and this one ISO stands for the International Organization for Standardization, the people who approve new programming languages. So this is how the date looks like. You just change the type attribute to date instead of date time local. And next we are going to be looking at the month. And we also change the type attribute to month. When I go ahead and save here, save, this is how stuff will be looking like. So I can put here the month, then here choose the year, or click here and see the different types of month you want. Like I want to go in August, the display days in August. Choose a day and stuff will be like that. Submit when you have put another back-end language. So that's how the month type attribute works in the new HTML web forms or the new input elements. Next we go to the week. So we also have another input element called week. Also change the type attribute to week. And what week does, the existing date will over there and the week number will be encoded, and this is again implemented by those ISO, the international Organization for Standardization. We go ahead and save this. I don't know what's wrong with my throat. So when I save this, it will show you here the week, and this will be the day or number of the week. When I do like this, it will say week 1 in 2017. When I pull down here, you can see even the date changed according to the previous dates we had. It never had this week, so you can go ahead and be choosing the number as you're seeing here. So that stuff, the type attribute week, that's how it works. Next we have what they call time. Also the type attribute changes also to time. When you go ahead and save, refreshing the browser, this is what we shall be having. So that's how it displays its numbers. We have the real time, the minutes, and also telling you whether it's PM or AM with the delete button X. So that's how the time type attribute works. We also have what they call the number. Also, the type attribute will change to number, but for this number we shall be having the mean number, which will be 0, meaning the number should start from 0. Minimum, we have the maximum number, which will be equals to 10. The user should not go beyond 10, and we give it a step. It should go by one step, which will be 1. When we go ahead and we want it to start from 0, you can put any value you feel like. So I want my value to be 4. When I save this, refresh in the browser, this is what we shall be having. When I try to load this, it will stop at 10 because I gave it a maximum of 10. When I increase by 11, refresh here, it will this time pass 10 but also not go beyond 11. So that's how the number type attribute works. Next we have what they call the range, and ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be our last item to tackle. So here, what's wrong with my stuff? You say choose range. I'll call this the type attribute will change to range, and still this will remain the same. I'll give it step 1, value will be 5, any value you put there. So this is how also the stuff looks like, but what will change will be the type attribute. Go ahead and save this. As you can see, it started from 5. So when I reduce this to 2, see what is going to happen. This slide bar will come like here. As you can see, when I move this and submit, it will take us nowhere because we don't have this page. So that's how the things work. The web form, the input elements in HTML5, that's how they work. If I was so fast, please make sure you pause the video, rewatch the video so that you understand each form, how it works and how you can play around with it. Thanks for watching. Guys, thanks for the love and support you show towards my channel, and peace.